Whether you're replacing bus bars or just cleaning out the high voltage fan or just looking for your lost phone, you may want to know the quickest and easiest way to remove the back seats, and we're going to show you that right now. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos. Now we got to place the magic explodey toilet paper grenade right there and hope that it works, because it's the last one I got. Start by taking the seat belts loose right here at the back of the rear seats, and then press this button down firmly while pulling on the seat. Repeat on the other side. Seat belt loose, button pressed, and pull. Then twist these locks counterclockwise. There should be a second one here. This one's missing one. Fold this up, fold again, and remove. Then you remove this tray and all the junk that's in it. You'll want to vacuum this area before you start doing this, because stuff is going to fall down in there. You can see this one already has a lot of trash fell down in there. This stuff off to the side is not necessary to remove, but it is helpful to have access. This battery over here is not your high voltage, it's not your hybrid battery. Your hybrid battery is under here. You'll want to lift this flap on both sides. Oh, look, there's an extra bolt. Somebody's been here before. We'll have to save that and find out where they left it out from. Oh, that's just paper. I thought that was food for a second. Well, probably shouldn't eat that anyway. See, there's Velcro here. You need to pull that loose. That gives you access to these bolts, but we're not going to go after that yet. We're going to take the bottom seat out first. Now, if this is a customer's car, your friend's car, your relative's car, any change you find, any of other valuables you find belongs to them. If it's your car and you find valuables or change, then it belongs to you. If you find old moldy food, that always belongs to somebody else. On the passenger side, we repeat the process. Oh, look here. There's a bolt missing. I wonder. The mystery bolt we found. Yes, it does fit. When removing the bottom portion of the seat, you reach under and slide your hand back and forth across the underneath until you find the spot where the metal piece goes down into the clip. Then you got to get your knee in the center of the seat, get both hands on either side of that clip, and get a little momentum and jerk, and it pops out. And you got to do this other side. Okay, I gotta get my knee off of it or it won't come up. Right here on either side. Okay, then you lever the seat up. I'm afraid of what we're going to find under here. It's probably not pretty. I just hope there's no body parts in here. Lever this up. That disconnects the catches in the back, and then slide it forward if you dare. Hopefully there's tools and stuff in here. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a spoon. That's not a good sign. There's another mystery bolt. Yeah. Whoever worked on this before needs a good smacking. Alright, so the seat comes out. And you're going to take this bolt out. And there are 6 clips that hold this down on top of the high voltage or hybrid battery. You can't be a afraid of this because it takes some force to pull it up. See, there's a clip and a clip. There are bolts down here, right there, and over here, and 2 more over there. We're going to get those out and take this part of the seat out. We're going to have better access, and we're going to clean these seats up real good. These bolts down here are 12 millimeter. One. And these edges down here are sharp, so be careful. You want to wear gloves and stuff. You don't want to end up burnt, bruised, or bleeding like I usually do. Make sure you're, like right now, I am using a clean extension because otherwise it's going to get all over the back of the seat. You are also working around a high voltage battery, so be careful. Don't be laying your soda on this thing. You sure don't want to spill your soda or your coffee. Even as avid coffee drinker as I am, I still don't have my coffee in here, not with this high voltage battery. My coffee's right over there. Okay, that's all 4 bolts. Okay, for getting the upper back seats out, you've got 2 12 millimeter bolts here. The one you got to take out from here in the front. The other one a little bit further back. And you've got to tilt the seat forward and reach behind it. Then you take this 12 millimeter loose right here that holds the seat belt that goes into the seat. Get that loose. There it is. It's a 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch. Another 12 the rest of the way out. And then we have right here a bolt. It's 13, and underneath here a 13 millimeter bolt. If you can't see it on the camera, the other 13 millimeter bolt is in the exact same spot as this one, but on the passenger side or the starboard side. Oh, yeah. It's loose. Come back here. That should be all the bolts. 1, 2, the one in the seat belt, 3, and then the 2 down here, that's 5. 3 of them are 13 or 1/2 inch. The other 2 are 12 millimeter. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Zane Auto. Binge watch Zane Auto.